Hey, hi friends. So friends, today in this video we will know what will be the price for making the POP false ceiling designs and what are the advantages and what are the points to consider before designing the POP false ceiling. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the topic. A POP false ceiling offers a various aesthetic, functional and the practical benefits, making it a popular choice for the interior designs because it has some beautiful advantages. Like first one is the aesthetic appeal. POP can be molded into intricate designs and provides a smooth, clean finish, enhancing the visual appeal of the ceiling. It allows for a wide range of styles. Like you can see in this video, there are the different types of styles, designs, shapes and patterns, and it is easy to create customized design that fit various interior styles. So friends, if you want to know the POP false ceiling price, the POP false ceiling price mainly depends on factors like the quality of materials, design complexity, and including the labor charges. Like the basic POP false ceilings, around it will cost 60 to 70 rupees per square feet, and the standard POP false ceiling which starts from 70 rupees to 130 rupees per square feet. Like there you can see in this video, these are all almost 90 to 100 rupees per square feet. It depends on the design's complexity. So let's we take some example. Like if your ceiling area is 10 by 12, that is equal to 120 square feet, and we will take the minimum price like 90 rupees per square feet. So when we'll calculate all these things like area into the per square feet price, like your area is 120 square feet and the price per square feet is 90 rupees, which will multiply, we will get 10,800 rupees. So friends, it is included everything, labor cost, materials and accessories which is required for false ceiling. So these prices may be vary based on the city, contractor and any additional features like integrated lighting. So friends, when planning a false ceiling which is called the plaster of Paris POP false ceiling, there are some several points to consider for functionality, aesthetics and durability. So first you check the room dimension and the ceiling height. Measure the room size and ceiling height accurately, as false ceiling tends to lower the height. So a low ceiling can make the space feel cramped. So consider alternatives like tray ceilings in the height is an issue. Second one is the purpose and decide. Decide on the purpose of the false ceiling, like example for aesthetics or to hide wiring or improve the acoustics. Choose a design that complements the room style like modern, minimalist, traditional and serves the room functionality. So always plan for the electrical and lighting plans. Plan for lighting fixtures such as recessed lights, curve lighting or chandeliers. Pre-plan wiring and ducting for appliances like fans or air conditioners to avoid damaging the ceiling later. Another one is the material selection. Option for the high quality POP that is durable, resistant to cracking and non-toxic. Consider additional moisture resistant coating in areas with high humidity. Another point is the space for fixtures. Ensure that there is enough space above the ceiling for electrical ducts and other installations. Verify access points for features, maintenance of wiring and ducting. Another one is the load bearing capacity. Confirm that the ceiling structure can support the load, especially if heavy lighting or additional materials are involved. So set a budget for material, labor and any extra finish as false ceiling can vary widely in cost. So plan for a realistic timeline considering design complexity and curing time for the POP. So always hire the experienced professional to avoid mistakes in designs, measurement and installation. And friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section, or you want anything about the false ceiling or related to the interior design, you can ask me the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. And POP false ceilings can hide the electrical wiring, conditioner ducts and pipes, giving the ceiling a neat and uncluttered look. So in case of repairs, the false ceiling makes it easy to access wires and ducts without damaging the main structure. So always when properly installed and maintained, POP false ceiling are durable and can last for the several years without significant maintenance. And POP false ceiling is a budget friendly also, is relatively cost effective, making it a popular choice for budget friendly ceiling solutions. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, and if you like my videos, then please subscribe, like and share this video. And thanks for watching. Thank you once again.